My name is Narayan Reddy. I am the Social Studies faculty for OSBD branch. This video is about 12th dated assignment of Social Studies. It is 8th class topic, 8th class Social Studies third lesson, Earth movements and seasons. In this lesson, they asked the first question about tropical belt. What is called as tropical belt? The first question in this assignment is, what is called as tropical belt? Here, tropical belt means if we take this our earth, on this earth, the biggest circle which is passes the middle to this earth is only called as 0 degrees equator. It is the biggest latitude. Above this latitude, 23.5 degrees north line, 23.5 degrees north latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degrees south line, it is called as Tropic of Capricorn. The place which is existing between these two tropics only called as tropical belt. Okay, this area which is between these two tropics only called as tropical belt. Now, the answer is the belt which is existing between two tropics is called as tropical zone. Tropical zone or tropical belt. Here, the place which is existing between the two tropics means Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, that is only called as tropical belt. The second point in this answer, this region gets maximum energy and heat from the sun. Okay, this is first answer. Now I am going to the second question. Second question is, what are the two factors influenced the order of seasons? What are the two factors influenced the order of seasons? Second question is, what are the two factors that influence the order of seasons? Here, two important things are there to influence the order of seasons: winter, summer, rainy season. So that order is influenced by two important things. The main first thing is the shape of the earth and the curvature of the earth. That is the first point. Next, daily rotation and revolution. These also influence the seasons order. Okay, the first point, the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth and curvature of the earth. Okay, the first influencing thing is the shape of the earth and the curvature of the earth. The second influence thing is the daily rotation and revolution. Daily rotation and revolution of the earth on its own axis. Okay, these two things mainly influence the order of the seasons. Now the third question, what are called as equinoxes? Third question is, what are called as equinoxes? Here equinoxes means the important dates in the year, that dates which are having day and night in a same time, means 12 hours day, 12 hours night, that are two dates. Answer is March 21st and September 23rd. On these particular 2 days, day and nights are in equal in size or in time. Okay, these two are called as equinoxes. Now the final question, make a list of Indian seasons or Telugu seasons. Make a list of Indian seasons in a order. Fourth question, make a list of Indian seasons. Answer is number 1, Hemant. Two, Grishma. 3, Varsha. Number 4, Vasanta. 5, Shishira. And the 6th and the last season is Sharad. Once again I repeat the Telugu seasons. Number 1, Hemant. 2, Grishma. 3, Varsha. 4, Vasanta. And 5, Shishira. And the last one is Sharad. Okay. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Okay, sir.